First, open the face frame and remove the electrical box cover. Then loosen the screws securing the hydraulic rod. Remove all screws from the face frame and remove the module electrical box. Gas spring support, LCD module mounting bracket, LCD module, fan, locking hook plate, front panel, and light sensor. Replace the removed components with the new face frame and install them in the following order: front panel, locking hook plate, fan, LCD module mounting bracket, gas spring support, module electrical box, and light sensor. Replace the assembled face frame, attach the hinges. Adjust the hydraulic rod to the desired position and install the screws.